Standard 2, Subject EVS. Good morning, boys. Welcome back to our EVS class. Lesson 5, Plants Around Us. Before beginning the next topic, let us quickly revise what we have learnt in the last video. Boys, pay attention and listen carefully. We learned that plants are living things and they cannot move from one place to another. Boys, do you remember what 4 things do plants need to grow? Yes, they need soil, water, sunlight and air for their growth. All human beings and animals cannot live without plants. Do you remember the different parts of the plant? Yes. Number 1, roots. They grow below the ground and holds the plant firmly. Number 2, stems. They grow above the ground and carries water and minerals from the roots to different parts of the plant. Leaves. They are mostly green in color and prepare food with the help of sunlight. Flowers. It gradually converts into fruits. And the last one is fruits. They have seeds which will reproduce the same kind of plant. So boys, let us revise. The main parts of the plants are roots, stem, leaf, fruit and flower. You know boys, each part is very important. Then we learnt about types of plants. Repeat after me boys. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers are the different types of plants. Do you remember what are trees? Yes, very big and tall plants with thick trunk are trees. What are shrubs? Shrubs are smaller than trees with many branches which are thin and hard. Herbs. Herbs are small medium-sized plants. They don't have very strong stem. And creepers and climbers? Anybody can guess? Yes, they have weak stem and needs support. And if they don't get support, they creep on the ground. Today, we will learn how the plants are very useful to us. As you know boys, all the human beings depend on plants for so many things. Plants are very useful to us in many ways. They give us many things. So we begin with fruits and vegetables. Plants provide us with variety of fruits. Look in the picture. Different types of fruits we get from plants. Banana, mango, apple, and others. So many juicy fruits. We can also make juices from the fruits. We also get variety of vegetables. Look in the picture. So many different types of vegetables like chilies, lady's finger, French bees, etc. Fruits and vegetables are very good for our health. Now, let us see what more you get from plants. Yes, plants give us different types of food grains. Look at the picture. We get cereals and pulses. What are cereals? Cereals are oats, rice, wheat, corn, etc. And what are pulses? Pulses are dals like tur dal, masoor dal, urad dal. Plants give us beautiful flowers which also have attractive colors and fragrance. Fragrance means smell. Do you know, boys, we can make perfumes from sweet smelling flowers such as rose and jasmine. Look at the picture, boys. You can see different types of spices. We obtain spices from plants. What are spices? Spices are a seed, fruit, roots or bark of a plant. You know, boys, when your mummy cooks food, she must be using spices to make your food tasty and delicious. Example of spices are pepper, clove, etc. Look at the picture, boys. In the first picture, you can see tea plantation. And in the second picture, you can see coffee. You can see the coffee plant and the coffee seeds. Yes, hot drinks like tea and coffee are also the gift of plants. Nowadays, green tea is very popular since it is extremely good for our health. Boys, even the cocoa used to make chocolate is also a gift to us from the world of greens. So remember, tea and coffee is also obtained from plants. Look at the picture, boys. You can see different types of bottles and the plant seeds and flower from where you obtain oil is placed over there. Now, remember, boys, we get oil from the seeds of the plant such as mustard. Mustard means rai. We say sarso ka tel. Your mommy must be knowing it. You tell your mother to show you. Then sunflower oil obtained from sunflower. Look at the picture. You can see the sunflower. Yes. Then coconut oil. You can see coconut fruit kept there. Yes, you get oil from the coconut fruit. Then almond oil, that is badam. Oil is very useful in cooking food. We also apply oil on our hair and body. So remember, boys, oil too is obtained from plants. Medicine. Look at the picture, boys. You can see different types of herb plant kept there and the medicine bottles and tablets. Can you see? These are made from plants. Herbal plants help us to make medicine which cures our diseases. For example, tulsi, neem, clove, turmeric, eucalyptus. Wood from plants, furnitures and paper is made from wood. We get the wood from trees. Furnitures made are table, chair, cupboard, beds, etc. Some big trees provide us with wood. Those are teak and sal trees. Look at the different types of furnitures made. And the second picture is of paper. See how the paper is made from the wood. So boys, we even get paper from plants. The paper is made from plants. Fibers from plants. Fibers such as cotton and jute are obtained from plants. Look at the picture, boys. In the first picture, you can see cotton. You can see the plant kept there. Cotton means kapus. And shorts, frocks, bedsheet, handkerchief, etc. are made from cotton fibers. And mats, bags, baskets and ropes are made from jute fibers. What are fibers? Fibers are the thread we obtain from plants, and the fibers are used to make our clothes. Rubber plant. Look at the picture, boys. What you can see? You can see how the liquid from a rubber tree is removed, and different types of articles are made like gloves, shoes, rubber bands, rubber ball and erasers. It is also used to make tires and pipes. Boys, remember, cotton, jute, rubber are also important in our daily life. We get this from cotton, jute and rubber trees. Trees are our friends. Plants also give us oxygen which we need for breathing. Why trees are our friends, boys? Because it makes the air around us fresh and pure. Plants are very essential for us. We should not destroy plants and trees around us because they are our friends. It is very important to grow more and more trees to make our environment free from pollution. Look at the picture, boys. So beautiful it looks when trees are around us. That's all for today, boys. Thank you. Meet you again in the next EVS period.